So right now I'm gonna go mountain biking on my bike. My dog kind of threw up the seat, so it's not as comfortable. So. I was looking for deer, but it doesn't look like there is any right now, which sucks, because I wanted to see a deer, but there's lots of flowers. There's only 2 kinds apparently, but I didn't realize how hard it was to film and ride at the same time. I decided to go a different direction, and it took me to this, straight through rock. So I'm gonna turn around and go somewhere else. I took a different path coming down that way, and this is a hill. I don't know why I zoomed in, but